This video demonstrates how to use the Glenair connector backshells and accessories catalog to find backshells and accessories for an MS3126 connector. Imagine we have a connector with a specific part number. It's important to understand what this part number signifies. On page Intro 8 you'll find a description, the specification, the series, and the adapter code for the connector. Use the Amphenol Miniature Cylindrical Connectors catalog to learn more about the connector. A search for MS3126 will lead you to page 33 where you will learn the connector is a straight plug. Also, you will find its dimensions based on its shell size. Further down on page 36, it shows you how to break down the part number. On page 8, you will find the insert arrangement, number of contacts, and contact size. Page 11 shows the connector has a cadmium plate with an olive drab chromate finish on an aluminum shell. You can now use the Glenair catalog to find accessories. For instance, if you need a shrink boot adapter for this connector, page 31.2 indicates you can find the compatible adapter on page 31.24. This is because the MS3126 has an adapter code of D, which we learned early in this video. Use this page to determine the shrink boot adapter part number to order. In the Amphenol catalog, we learned that our connector is made of aluminum and has an olive drab cadmium finish. We also learned the shell size of the connector is 16. Finally, add the T to the end of the part number if you want the shrink boot adapter. The same procedure can be followed to find an extender backshell starting on page 32.1. The selection guide for environmental backshells starts on page 37.1. Here is the page for EMI backshells. And this page is for EMI environmental backshells. Finally, here is a list of other accessories you'll find for the MS3126 connector.